How to make a simple elevator in Roblox Studio. Create a part. Don't forget anchor. Name it floor. Duplicate part. Name it detector, and place it on the floor to detect players. Adjust for transparency and select Can Collide as false. Select both parts and group as model named elevator. Add the script to the model. Writing the script. This script creates an automatic elevator system. Get the run service and tween service. Get references to the elevator model, the moving floor, and the detector part. Calculate the distance between the detector and the floor. Then, update the detector's position every frame to keep that same offset. Define the elevator settings. Controls how high the elevator moves. Controls how long the movement takes. Delay adds a small waiting time before the elevator starts moving. Save the elevator's starting position and calculate the target position above it. Creates the elevator animations. These variables keep track of the elevator's state. Checks whether the touched object belongs to a player. When a player steps onto the detector, the elevator moves upward. When a player leaves the detector, it smoothly moves back down to its original position. Click play in Roblox Studio and start testing. If the script works, you can come back and further customize your game. You're now equipped to start coding in Roblox Studio. Let your creativity run wild and see what you can build.